Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. Today we are going to discuss about Binance copy trading. I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial, live participating into a copy trading, and as you can see on the screen, by doing copy trading you can share 45,000 USDT worth in rewards too. Now before I can proceed with that video, I would request you to kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not done yet. Please do not forget to press the bell icon. Besides that, you're going to find a few links. Make sure you join the Telegram group because that's the place where you can get most of the updates. So to join copy trading, obviously you need a Binance account. If you don't have a Binance account, you can copy my link below, and you can see there's a promotion also going on down, wherein you can refer friends to earn 100 USDT and a Tesla too. So I have already reached 100 close to 84 USDT. So if you have a new account, you can always join using the link below. So here, once you are logged in into your Binance account, you click on futures and click on click on trade and copy trading. So once you click on copy trading, you will be taken to this page. So let me explain to you first in brief what this page looks like, then we'll go step by step and into further details. At any point of time, if you feel that you've not got enough from here, you can always ask me in the comment section, but you can always go here the FAQs and the tutorial and try to check out at your own pace. Next, what you can see over here is become a lead trader. So let's click the button over here. So a lead trader is one by which you are going to be leading the trade. People are going to be copying you, and when anyone copies you, okay, so people are going to be when people are going to copy you, you're going to be earning a share from their profits, which is around 10%. So that is what a lead trader is, but I'm sure most of you all want to be copy traders. That is, you want to copy from a lead trader. Now, how to identify lead trader? So once you come over here, you're going to see a lot of traders over here. So how to filter the best and the most profitable one for you? So you can see there are various options over here. One is the performance over a period of 70, 30 and 90 days. Then you can sort them out by PNL, ROI, MDD, AUM, copy traders PNL, etc. So obviously now you would want to select the longer run, because in 7 days, you can have, you don't know, maybe you have a string of luck. So I would always recommend, first step is you pick up 90 days. That is the longest trading there's over here. And obviously next is many people would be tempted to go by the PNL. You can see here $52,000 worth of profit, $47,000, 70,000. This looks good, but yes, when you're talking of such PNLs, obviously the capital invested also would be very high. So it doesn't give you a correct picture of the capacity. So the correct thing would be to go in by the ROI. This is a return on investment. So once you have done this, you can see over here ROI here for this particular trader is 500%, and over a period of 90 days. Now what is this MDD and AUM? I'm going to explain to you. So if you feel that you are satisfied with some trader, you can always favorite it over here, and you'd be able to see them under your my favorites like this. So for test purposes, I had done a couple of them. You can see here under the my favorites section. So once I've done this, then how do I check out? So one is the thing is the 90-day ROI, and second and most important thing is the MDD. That's a maximum drawdown. Now for those of you who don't know what's a maximum drawdown, that means, now let's say this particular trader has made a 500% profit, but their maximum and let's say they have having a capital of $1,000 for calculation purposes, and they are allowing a maximum drawdown of 80%. That means up to 800 USDT will be at risk. So when you are choosing a trader, your ROI has to be the highest and your MDD has to be the lowest. So in this case, you can see 2.76 is the maximum drawdown. So this is a good trader. No wonder 700 out of 700 positions have been blocked. So you can't join. What you can do is you can favorite him over here, and once you find some vacancy, you can go and join this particular trader over here. Okay, now next we are talking about over here is you click this particular thing. So here you're going to be getting all the details. So this is about the trader. He or she has been trading for 42 days. So current copy traders 698. So you have, I think, 2 traders must have executed. So you have the option to copy him or her. Now I'm going to show you the option how to copy, and total copy traders 80. So obviously once people have exited and all, so leading margin balance, that is their own margin balance over here, and this particular trader moves with a 10x to 20x leverage. AUM, as you can see, is the assets under management, is the sum of the current future margin of copy trader and the lead trader. This means that besides 31,000 of their own capital, the copy trader and this capital sums up to 217,000. So this trader is somewhat like managing. So that's why it is called AUM, assets under management. And if you see the total PNL of all the copy trades for this portfolio, now this is a bit surprising. So you can see over here realized and unrealized. That means if some positions are unopened also, that is factor. So the overall copy trading PNL over here is negative over here. That's something to worry about. Profit sharing 10% is what the profit sharing is over here. So you can see over here the win rate is 100%. Okay, win rate is 100%. Number of positions 23. They have closed in profit. Position history over here, you can see these are the trades which have been closed. Trade history, copy traders history, you can see over here. So let's go to the last and see why the negative over here. So 5 days, this is a bit of surprise to me now, how if 100% have been profitable positions, how this has been negative. I guess this could probably got to do with the settings wherein people have tinkered with the leverages and all, and paid a price for it. So the ideal strategy would be to either copy the trader straight away or to follow a low leverage. I guess this is got to do with more of people increasing. So we will leave this as it is. I'll leave this particular thing for copying to show a live copy option. We'll just explore some other traders over here. So you can see over here ROI, we have this thing maximum drawdown. If you see over here, these are some traders who are done with maximum drawdown is very less over here. So ideally you would want to choose this, but you can see the ROIs also are quite less over here. So let's go with the PNL or ROI only. And I was telling you, you can see this example, 81% has been the drawdown. Now let's go and check this out. So you can see here that copy traders net 15,000 has been already blown away or are on the verge, because this is a sum of realized and unrealized PNLs both. So ROI is fine. Let's go to the copy traders. You can see current one trade which is there, 18%. Position history, just now the person has closed with a negative 670 over here. Prior to that, $1,000 worth. So you see this working with 20x leverage. Go to copy traders over here, and you can see recent profit ones. Let's see the later ones. You can see 86%, 15% losses over here, and 100%, 100%, 100%. So you can see these accounts have been blown off. So when the drawdown is very high, you can see a lot of 100% over here. So let's come behind also. You see over here 100%, 100%, 100%. So lot of accounts have been washed out over here. So ideally you wouldn't want to copy a trader whose drawdown is huge like this. Even 30% I think is still high. 30, 40% drawdown, 50% drawdown. Another one over here 60%. Let's see over here. So you see a $41,000 is the negative PNL over here. and overall PNL is also negative 1000. You see current open trades also 100% negative 57. This person doesn't know what he or she has been doing, and unfortunately there are 126 people currently also copying this trader. So please don't make this mistake. So if you are copying, make sure that you're copying someone wisely out over here. Now coming to the final thing, which is showing you an actual trade. So how you can go and activate a trade, you go over here and say a copy, then you have an option of fixed amount or fixed ratio. Over here orders will be opened in proportion to your total margin lead trader balance. I'm not comfortable with this particular ratio because it has not been explicitly explained, so I will stick to fixed amount. Cost per order minimum 10 and maximum 1000, so I'll keep it to 10. Copy amount over here, copy amount is the total invested margin amount for placing orders with the lead trader, so this also I'll stick it to 10. Total stop loss percentage, I'll keep it at 15% over here. So advanced settings optional. Yes, I would recommend you to over here margin mode. I will keep the copy traders margin mode. Leverage, now here copy leaders privilege, no, I want a fixed leverage because I want to minimize my risk, even though I'm going to minimize the profits too. Let's say I'm keeping it 2x. Now take profit, I'm saying 20% at 30%, stop loss at 15%. Maximum positions I leave as it is. I'll say I have read and copy. So before you go and give the final confirmation, you can see copy mode fixed amount, cost per order 10, copy amount 10. Margin mode, I'm copying the copy that as margin mode. Leverage, I have made it fixed. Take profit stop loss I've given over here, total stop loss percentage, and confirm. So once I do over here, lead trader portfolio is full. Okay, the trader's portfolio is full. So we'll just try and copy someone else over here. So I just copied someone over here. Okay, now this person has been doing just for 2 days, so it's just for demo sake I'm going to show you over here. So I'll again go 10, 10, stop loss 15%. I highly recommend using a stop loss. It's going to protect your account. So fixed leverage, this is another thing which I would recommend, because some people take 20%. You've seen accounts blowing off, and 30% profit, 15% stop loss. That's a ratio of 1:2. And I'll say copy. So once I say copy, you can see the same prompt up and say confirm. So copy trading successful. View details. So you can see under this trader, this will be my details. At any time you can go and change your settings back, or if you feel that you don't want to copy this particular trader, you can come here and say stop copying and confirm, and your copying will be stopped. So this is the way you can copy from Binance futures, copy other future traders. If you want to be a lead trader, you can be a lead trader too. And I hope that this particular video explaining the step-by-step details of copy trading has been useful to you. Please do let me know your feedback in the comment section, and do give this video a like, share it across. Until the next video, take care and be safe.